Model: 64-plate Renault Master long wheelbase, diesel front-wheel drive LM35 Energy dCi 135 business medium roof van body, grey, panel van mileage, 187476 MOT, the 8th of January 2024 engine, 2298 CCM 90 Energy 135 E5D transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Still runs and drives fine, gearbox is whining intermittently into gears, clutch looks all good. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, air-con, parking sensors, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI.